there some brand new feature and fix. So now when you click on login and try to log in, if you refused to share the localization, the application generates a record, a standard record in the database. So at the moment there are all information except the current location. So the user has not shared this information. So the default one is, when you try to log in, is trying to create, in this case, Paris. So this is the default one in the env file. So at the moment we have this information in our database. So let's check it. Okay, now the user has this location and this is Paris. So now if the user wants to switch the position, just click here, and now we have all the Buenos Aires information, and I have get this information from GeoAPI. That is a reverse geolocalization from latitude and longitude. I get this information, and now this feature is really useful because a user can see directly in the list what they have selected. Imagine to select something, but think to have it in other places, because there are people that maybe sometimes don't understand the location selected and the automatic geolocalization of the GPS. So in this case, if I click on Chicago, the application changed Chicago, and when you refresh, you can see the Chicago events. And when the application is confirmed and the position is confirmed, you have also here this information. This is really useful when you change without any. It's a way now to improve the application. So Dublin, let's see if Dublin has something. Okay, Dublin, perfect. So now when you want to enable again the application, so let's check here. Now it's Dublin, and the location has been updated. So this is really useful. Also here, when you select by a geolocalization and you want enable permissions, so about I want to share my localization. So now if I set Trieste and update my position and back, when you refresh the page, you have Dublin. Maybe it's something strange, but maybe I've not set. Yeah, it's okay. The database said still Dublin. Maybe because when you click here, oh, yeah, I need to wait. It's a little bit slower. It's really slow. So now when you check the feed, is in Trieste. Okay, again, select Berlin again. So now we are in Berlin. Berlin, in fact now is Berlin. Okay, so when you change manually from Berlin to Buenos Aires. Yeah, it's Buenos Aires. So the feed is Buenos Aires. So now we have this automatic way. Yeah, we can improve it, but moment seems okay. Let me know what you think about it. Bye.